Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage chic country home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage chic country home decor is a cozy, charming decorating style that blends old-fashioned and vintage elements with soft, elegant country charm. It feels warm, romantic, and lived in, like a beautiful countryside cottage with antique patches. What makes vintage chic country home decor special? Uses vintage furniture, uses antique or distressed furniture, wooden table, old cabinets, and vintage chairs, painted soft, chipped, or faded for a rustic look. For soft and romantic colors, pastels like cream, soft pink, mint green, baby blue, and lavender, warm neutrals like beige and light gray. Use natural and cozy materials like cotton, linen, lace, crochet, nylon, wicker, rattan, ceramics, and iron. Also oud. Decorative vintage touches, old frames, floral prints, clocks, candles, antique mirrors, porcelain dishes, baskets, and jars, handmade crochet curtains, and table genres. Country and floral patterns uses flowers, checks, stripes, and botanical prints, floral curtains, cushions, and wallpapers. For shabby chic look, slightly old, rustic, and imperfect furniture, whitewashed wood and distressed paint finishes. Overall feeling. Vintage chic country decor creates a warm, peaceful, romantic, and nostalgic home atmosphere, perfect for cottage lovers and farmhouse-style homes. The physiology of vintage chic country decor. This style is popular because it makes people feel safe and comfortable, calm and relaxed, nostalgic and emotional, romantic and dreamy. Architecture style that matches this decor. Vintage chic country decor looks best in cottage houses, farmhouses, wooden houses, small apartments with soft colors, rural countryside homes. Even modern homes can use it by adding soft colors and vintage decor. Font design styles, professional ideas. Use floral wallpaper, small flower patterns, botanical prints, and vintage rose designs. Rustic walls use whitewashed wood panels, shiplap walls, brick walls painted white. For gallery walls, mixed old frames, mirrors, and art. Use gold, white, and wooden frames. Furniture arrangement tips. Create cozy corners, within corners with chairs, lamps, and small tables. Tea corner with vintage cups and tray. Wooden side with cushions. Use symmetry. Two lamps on beside tables, matching cushions on sofa. Balanced wall decor. Mix sides. Tall shelves, medium tables, small decor items. This makes the room look professional. Cottagecore decorative items. Vintage chic items use antique mirrors, porcelain tea sets, old clocks, vintage books. For country items, use wooden trays, cutting boards, wicker baskets, and ceramic pots. For chic items, use candlelights, crystal bottles, soft candles, and fairy lights. Textiles and Styling Secrets. Curtains. Use lace curtains, floral cotton curtains, shade curtains layered with curtains. Bedding. Use floral quilts, ruffled pillowcases, rustic blankets. Sofa. Use linen covers, floral cushions, soft throw blankets. Textiles are the heart of vintage chic decor. Table styling. Dining table. Use linen tablecloth, crochet runner, flowers in cluster, and candles. For coffee table, use wooden tray, old books, small plant, decorative bowl. Vintage chic country garden style. If you have a balcony or garden, use wooden chairs and table. Flowers in pots. Use vintage lanterns, hanging baskets, floral cushions. Garden cottage style is very trendy. Budget styling secrets. You don't need antiques. Cheap vintage look ideas. Print vintage photos and frame them. Use glass jars as vases. Paint old furniture white. Use baskets for storage. Make crochet decor. Small details create big vintage feeling. Advanced mistakes to avoid too much dirt furniture. Modern glossy plastic decor. Bright neon colors. Empty minimalist rooms. Cold white lighting. How to make your home look like vintage chic home. To get cottage look, use soft lighting and flowers everywhere. Use pastel colors. Add layers of cushion and blankets. Mix vintage and rustic items. Keep everything cozy and full of decor. Vintage chic country decor is not perfect or modern. It is soft, romantic, cozy, handmade, and imperfectly beautiful. That imperfection is what makes it charming. Vintage chic homes should not look brand new. They should look you collected beautiful items slowly over many years. Tips. Mix old and new furniture. Use second-hand or antique style items. Add personal photos, books, and handmade crafts. Add soft romantic lighting everywhere. Lighting is very important in this style. Use warm yellow bulbs, fairy lights, table lamps with creeping shades. Lantern style lights. Avoid bright white LED lights. They look too modern. Use baskets for storage. For pretty plus useful, country homes love baskets. Use baskets for blankets, towels, magazines, kitchen storage, bathroom towels. They make your home look cozy and organized. Create cozy wall displays. Don't leave walls empty. Wall ideas. Gallery wall with vintage frames, wooden shelves with decor, hanging plants, mirrors with antique frames, floral art prints. Add handmade touches, very important. Handmade decor makes your home unique. Try crochet curtains, crochet table genres, handmade quilts, DIY painted jars, handmade threads. This gives a true Cottagecore and vintage feeling. Make wood look old and rustic. Shiny modern wood looks strong in this style. Tips. Paint wood white or pastel, lightly sand-edged for distressed look. Use natural light wood tones. Create cozy corners. Make small romantic corners in your home. Ideas. Reading corner with chairs and lamps. Tea corner with cups and tray. Window seat with cushions. Small vintage desk corner. These corners look beautiful in photos and videos. Layer your bed like a cottage hotel. A fantastic bed looks full and soft. Add floral bed sheets, ruffled pillowcases, crochet blanket, extra cushion. More layers decor, more cozy cottage feeling. Display kitchen items openly. Country kitchens love open display. Show plates on shelves, messengers, wooden cutting boards, ceramic mugs. It looks decorative and vintage. Use soft patterns carefully. Patterns are important, but don't mix too many. Best patterns, small florals, checks. Like gingham, stripes use onto two patterns in odd room, not many. Add natural elements. Country style loves natural. Add oat, cotton and linen fabric, ceramic and clay pots, stone decor, jar plants. Make your home smell like a cottage. Yes, scent is a part of decor. Use lavender, rose, vanilla, herbal candles. This makes your home feel warm and romantic. Common mistakes to avoid: too much plastic decor, bright neon colors, ultra-modern furniture everywhere, empty minimalist rooms, cold lighting. Easy beginner starter plan. If you are starting from zero, paint walls cream or pastel. Add floral curtains. Use baskets and jars for decor. Add flowers and plants. Add crochet or lace items. Use warm lighting. This will instantly create a fantastic country look. Bonus pro tip: interior designer secret. Clutter is bad, but cozy fullness is good. Keep things beautiful, organized, and layered, not messy. Use soft curtains for dreamy windows. Windows are very important in this style. Best ideas: use lace curtains, sheer white curtains, floral cotton curtains, crochet curtain tapex. Soft curtains make the room look romantic and cottage-like. Decorate with vintage clocks and frames. Old style items give a true vintage feeling. Use antique style wall clocks, gold or wooden photo frames, old postcards or botanical prints. Add wooden trays and boards for styling. Wooden trays are perfect for tables and shelves. Use them for candles, small plants, books, teacups. It looks rustic and elegant. Use soft rugs and carpets. Floors should feel warm and cozy. Choose floral rug, vintage patterned carpets, neutral soft rugs. Rugs makes the home feel warm and comfortable. Display everyday items beautifully. In country decor, every items are decoration. Show on shelves. Platters, cups, jars, bowls, cookbooks. This makes the kitchen and dining area look charming. Add greenery everywhere. Even small plants change the whole room. Ideas: small potted plants on shelf, hanging vents near windows, flowers in jars, herb plants in kitchens. Use candles and lanterns. Candles makes the home feel romantic and warm. Use glass candle holders, rustic lanterns, scented candles like rose, lavender, and vanilla. Use lace and crochet in many places. Lace and crochet are perfect for this style. Add crochet to curtains, table runners, cushion covers, paint blankets, shelf cloths. Style your bed like a cottage hotel. Make your bed look soft and layered. Add floral bed sheets, ruffled pillow covers, crochet blankets, extra cushions. More layers equal more vintage feeling. rustic country touches, country style needs rustic charm. Use wooden crates, wicker baskets, clay pots, farmhouse sign. Make cozy corners for relaxing. Create small corners in your home. Ideas: reading chairs with lamp, tea table corner. Use window seat with cushions. A small chatting desk. These corners look beautiful in photos and videos. Lights, lighting style. Realistic country lighting is soft and warm. Use candlelights, lantern lights, fabric lampshades, fairy lights for romantic glow. DIY ideas very popular in this style. You can easily DIY. Distress old furniture with sandpaper, paint jars for decor, make crochet curtains, create focal threads, print old photos or postcards. The feeling of this style, vintage country decor makes your home feel like a beautiful countryside cottage, a romantic European farmhouse, a cozy grandmother's winter home, a dreamy Cottagecore house. Wood style in vintage country homes. Wood should look natural and is not shiny. Popular wood looks: whitewashed wood, distressed wood, light oak or pine, reclaimed wood. Use wood for tables, shelves, trays, picture frames. Who love this style most? Cottagecore lovers, farmhouse decor lovers, vintage lovers, romantic homes decor fans, people who love handmade crafts like crochet. Vintage country home makes your home feel like a dreamy countryside cottage, a romantic farmhouse, a peaceful vintage Cottagecore home. Vintage country decor creates a warm, peaceful, romantic, and nostalgic home atmosphere, perfect for cottage lovers and farmhouse style homes. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.